birds all sing, the trees all sway. Hey, yeah, oh yeah.
Welcome friends, the animals say.
Hey, yeah, oh yeah. A lion roars with a mighty sound, his golden mane shining all around. He waves his paw, hop on my plane, I'll ride along your jungle train. Yeah, yeah. The train slows down near Monkey Hill. Oh yeah, whoa yeah. They swing and dance with happy thrill. Oh yeah, whoa yeah. Chatter, chatter, they sing in tune. Oh yeah, whoa yeah.
Under the bright and laughing moon.
Hey, yeah, whoa yeah. Lina laughs and waves her hand.
Tobo claps.
Oh, this is grand. Bananas fly and monkeys cheer. The jungle music fills the air. The whistle blows to the river wide. Hey, yeah, whoa yeah.
Elephants march in gentle stride.
Hey, yeah, whoa yeah. They spray cool water big and free. Yes, yeah, whoa yeah.
Splashing the kids with glee and spree.
Hey, yeah, whoa yeah. Their trumpets echo loud and long. The jungle joins in their joyful song. Tobo giggles, let's go again through the splashes of the jungle rain. Hey, yeah, whoa yeah. Next stop shines, it's Zebra Town. Hey. Black and white stripes up and down. Hey. They prance in lines, a pretty sight.
Dancing softly in the light.
Lina counts them 1, 2, 3. Zebras smile so happily. Let's all dance, they shout with cheer. The safari train is full of gear. Yeah, oh yeah. Look up high, says Tobo Bear. Ooh, a giraffe's head reaches the air. Hey, ooh, he bends down low to wave hello. Hey, yeah, whoa, yeah. His long neck sways so smooth and slow. Hey, yeah, whoa, yeah. He hums a tune so calm and sweet. Kids clap hands and tap their feet. The train goes toot. The day's not done. The safari train brings joy and fun. Hey, yeah, oh yeah. Now the sun begins to fall. Yeah. The animals gather one and all. Birds sing softly, crickets play. Hey, oh.
Good night whispers fill the day.
Yeah, whoa, yeah. Lina waves and says goodbye.
Tobo, what a ride!
Oh my, the animal train rolls home again through the jungle